Hello everyone, today we have new video review, and as you can see this time we have a chance to check new kit from Eduard. This is a resin set. As usual, you can find a link to the full review in the video description below. And now let's turn our attention to this kit. As you can see, this is a resin set, so this is a resin part. And today it's gonna be quite simple. That's Sptifire Mk.IX top Cowl for the late version. Czech manufacturer Eduard decided to release it as a resin part because some modders complained that it's a bit difficult to assemble the cowling part on the 72nd scale Spitfire, so now you can have it as a one-piece part and you won't have to worry about possible seams or any other problems which can occur when you use two-house assembly. So as you can see, package is quite typical for the resin. We have transparent front segment and there is only one resin part inside, which is quite, I would say, big box for just one part. Nevertheless, let's open it and see it closer. Check it closer, let's say. Actually, that's a good addition to the resin lineup from Eduard, because now you can assemble a proper Spitfire without wasting your time. I mean, if you want to, or you can just use original plastic parts. Here you can see installation guide. I mean, there is nothing special, nothing, I would say, unusual. So we move on to the part which is secured with a layer of the foam. Here it is. It's a one-piece cowling. Of course, it features very nice detail, and as you can see, recessed panel lines and riveting are present here. And you won't have seam here, so you just use it out of the box and you are ready to go. So that's all for this video review. It's quite a short review, I would say, and quite a small and simple set. Nevertheless, it should be quite useful for detailed build with small Spitfire. As usual, I will be happy to hear your opinion in the comment section below. Would you use this part, or would you rather, let's say, choose original plastic and not to buy resin from Eduard? Just leave your comment here below as I showed, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the like button and follow us for the new video reviews. I will see you as usual in the next video. Bye.